Hi, my name is Heino Hoops. I'm the operational manager for Central, East and Central Africa. I'm here to talk a bit more about drilling optimization. Like the wise words of our CEO, Paul House, what is drilling optimization? As specialist in drilling optimization, IMDEC's vision is to ensure the execution of drilling programs to specification, on time, within budget and safely. As specialists in the drilling optimization space and leaders in drilling fluids technology, IMDEC has developed a multifunctional product called X-Form to optimize drilling performances. The use of highly trained IMDEC technical sales representatives adds an extra layer of experience to the enhanced client experience. X-Form not only expedite the drilling process but also contribute to a faster and more environmentally friendly operations by minimizing the number of products on site. The AMC Boss tool is a proactive solution combating fluid losses and borehole instability. By delivering a measurable amount of AMC Boss fix at regular intervals to the bottom of the drill string and up the annulus, the fluid reacts instantly with the borehole fluids and sealing off fractures, providing a thin but robust lubricating membrane to the borehole wall. The AMC Boss tool is preventative measurement which can significantly improve diamond drilling proactive at rig safety, reduce environmental impact and lower overall operational cost. Thank you.